Greetings, health enthusiasts and culinary explorers. We're back with another exciting day in our journey to healthy eating. Today, we're on day 10, and our professional chef, the amazing Mr. Mustafa, has a new batch of delectable and nutritious recipes lined up just for you. We're starting your day right with breakfast, keto coconut pancakes topped with a luscious vanilla sauce. For lunch, we're mixing things up with a grilled zucchini salad adorned with feta cheese and olives. And finally, for dinner, we're indulging in a delicious yet guilt-free cauliflower crust pizza topped with low-carb goodies. As we embark on this flavorful journey, we invite you to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future gastronomic adventures. So, buckle up and get ready to take your taste buds on a flavorful journey. Starting off with the most important meal of the day, we have our keto coconut pancakes with vanilla sauce. The ingredients for this delightful breakfast are simple yet power-packed. You'll need some coconut flour, eggs, unsweetened almond milk, coconut oil, and a sweetener of choice. For the vanilla sauce, gather some vanilla extract, butter, and a sweetener. Let's begin with the pancakes. In a bowl, mix together 3 tablespoons of coconut flour, 2 large eggs, a quarter cup of unsweetened almond milk, a tablespoon of coconut oil, and a sweetener to taste. Stir the mixture until it's well combined, forming a smooth batter. Now, heat a non-stick pan and pour in a quarter of the batter. Cook until bubbles start to form on the surface, then flip and cook the other side. Repeat these steps until you've used up all the batter. While your pancakes are cooking, it's time to whip up the vanilla sauce. In a small saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, then add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and sweetener. Stir well until the sweetener is fully dissolved. Now that your pancakes and sauce are ready, stack up the pancakes on a plate and generously pour the warm vanilla sauce over them. These keto coconut pancakes with vanilla sauce are not just a treat to your taste buds, but they also come with a host of health benefits. The coconut flour is high in fiber, proteins, and healthy fats, and low in carbs, making it perfect for a keto diet. The eggs provide a healthy dose of protein, while the almond milk offers a dairy-free alternative rich in vitamins and minerals. The vanilla sauce made with butter adds a good dose of healthy fats. So, you see, this breakfast dish is not just about satisfying your morning hunger pangs, it's about providing your body with the right nutrients to kickstart your day, while also keeping in line with your keto diet. And there you have it, a breakfast that's not only delicious but also packed with good health. Moving on to lunch, we're whipping up a light and refreshing grilled zucchini salad with feta cheese and olives. Imagine the freshest, juiciest zucchini, grilled to perfection, married with the richness of feta cheese and the salty punch of olives. This dish is not only a feast for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. Let's start with the ingredients. We'll need 2 medium-sized zucchinis, a handful of Kalamata olives, some crumbled feta cheese, olive oil, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. The preparation method is simple and quick, making this dish perfect for those busy days. Begin by slicing the zucchinis lengthwise and brush them with olive oil. Grill them until they're tender and slightly charred. Once done, cut them into bite-sized pieces. While our zucchini is cooling, let's prepare the dressing. Combine olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Whisk it until it's well combined. Now to assemble the salad. In a large bowl, combine the grilled zucchini, olives, and crumbled feta cheese. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and give it a gentle toss. And there you have it. A delicious grilled zucchini salad with feta cheese and olives. Now, let's talk about the health benefits. Zucchini is a low-calorie vegetable that's high in water content. It's also a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion. Feta cheese, on the other hand, is an excellent source of calcium and protein. And let's not forget the olives. They're packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, which are great for your heart. This salad is a perfect blend of flavors, textures, and nutrition. The smoky, slightly sweet grilled zucchini, the tangy feta cheese, and the salty olives create a symphony of flavors that's sure to please any palate. So go on, give this grilled zucchini salad with feta cheese and olives a try. It's a perfect midday meal that's light, tasty, and super healthy. As the day winds down, we have a flavorful and healthy dinner option for you. Cauliflower crust pizza with low-carb toppings. Imagine sinking your teeth into a crispy golden crust topped with a rich and tangy tomato sauce, melted cheese, and a rainbow of your favorite toppings. Now imagine that this delectable meal is not only delicious but also low in carbs. and completely guilt-free. That's right, we're talking about a pizza that's as good for your waistline as it is for your taste buds. Our star ingredient is cauliflower, a versatile vegetable packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. This humble veggie will be transformed into a mouth-watering pizza crust that's not only low in carbs but also gluten-free, making it a great option for those with dietary restrictions. To make the crust, we'll need a medium-sized cauliflower, grated cheese, an egg, and some herbs for flavor. The cauliflower is first pulsed in a food processor until it resembles rice. It's then cooked, drained, and combined with the other ingredients to form a dough. This dough is shaped into a pizza base and baked until golden and crisp. For the toppings, we're keeping things light and healthy. A homemade tomato sauce, made from fresh tomatoes, garlic, and herbs, will be our base. For the cheese, we've chosen a low-fat mozzarella, but feel free to use your favorite variety. Our toppings include a colorful array of bell peppers, olives, and mushrooms, but the beauty of this dish is that you can customize it to your liking. This cauliflower crust pizza is not just a healthier alternative to traditional pizza, but it also offers a unique flavor profile. The cauliflower crust has a slight nuttiness to it that complements the tangy tomato sauce and the savory toppings perfectly. And the best part is, you can enjoy this meal without the guilt that usually comes with indulging in a pizza dinner. So there you have it. A dinner that's not just nutritious and low in carbs, but also satisfying and bursting with flavor. Who said healthy eating couldn't be fun and delicious? Well, that wraps up day 10 of our journey to healthy eating. We've seen how a simple breakfast of keto coconut pancakes with vanilla sauce can start your day with a burst of energy. We've explored how a grilled zucchini salad with feta cheese and olives can make a satisfying lunch. And finally, we've discovered that a cauliflower crust pizza with low-carb toppings can make a hearty dinner without the guilt. Remember, the key to healthy eating is variety, balance, and moderation. These recipes are not just delicious, but they also nourish your body with essential nutrients. Don't just take our word for it, try these recipes out for yourself. We're sure you'll be pleasantly surprised by how good healthy food can taste. We appreciate the time you've spent with us today. Your curiosity and enthusiasm make this journey more rewarding. Thank you for joining us today. Your company has been delightful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, eat well and live well.